Good morning, everyone. Hi, everyone. Hi. So, all those who have, hi. Good morning. Welcome to the paper analysis. All those who have cleared the paper or given the paper, kindly start posting your marks and start posting your questions. Everyone, start posting the questions immediately. Hi, everyone. Those who are going for the new batch. Those will be going for the new batch. Kindly note, you all guys, okay? Be very alert for the questions. So what are the questions? Everyone, get the questions, please. Let me see the questions. How many of them have I got? Hi, everyone. Chalo. First question, is it from anyone? Somebody is saying 46. Okay. Post your marks, please, everyone. Post your marks. Let me see the questions. First question was on Forex. First, which is Forex was one question. Case study on LC. It was there. Okay. Case study on LC. Yesterday, good gods that we did. Thank God. Okay. Case study on LC. Letter of credit. There was a case study on LC. Can anyone post details? What was that case study? It was regarding some banks. What was the case study? Case study on LC. Everyone, kindly note. First question is case study on LC. There was a question on LC, case study. Yesterday I had taken this in the revision session. Okay? What all banks are involved? What are the types of LCs? What is the role of each bank? Then second one was, maximum questions were on RWA. RWA, many questions. RWA, many questions. Risk-weighted asset. See, this is the base of BFM, right? This is the base of BFM. How was the exam, everyone? Hi, Reshma. Hi, Rahul. Niveta, third shift for you. Okay. Don't worry. See, those who are going for the paper, don't worry. I have seen the paper. I have got many questions. All are basics. Whatever we have done, the questions come from that only. Basics. You have read the PDF. You have gone through the classes. Enough. We have taken many tough questions. In exam, I am seeing very simple ones were asked. Simple questions were asked. Okay. Many questions were from RWA. Questions on RWA. Any more questions? Plus, yes. Everyone else? Other questions also? Second shift. Acha. For second shift. All of those who are going for second shift are very clever. Right? All those who are going for second shift are very clever because they know that they can go through the paper. Right? So one question was on RWA. What was it on RWA? They are posting the questions. Third one which I've got is BPV. Okay, got 46 marks. Okay. Dealing room, mid office, back office. Okay. Dealing room means treasury offices. Okay, the roles and responsibilities were asked. Roles and responsibilities. Treasury office, roles and responsibilities. That was asked. Treasury office, roles and responsibilities was asked. See, these are the basic questions. What did I say? It's all related to basics only. Okay, it's all related to basics. Then one question was on NPV calculations. Okay. What was this? NPV somebody is writing. NPV question. NPV means net present value. Okay? NPV is net present value. How to find out the net present value? It is the present value formula. Take whatever funds you are getting in future, divided by 1 plus R raised to N. What is it? Let me see. Shift 1 analysis. One sec, yeah. Many questions asked on risk management. Case study, maximum, risk management, many questions were asked. Risk management, risk management, many questions were asked. And next one was management and capital requirements. Capital requirement was asked. Yesterday we took that numerical. Capital requirement was asked. Capital requirement was asked. Then, okay, everyone, just those who have given the paper or those who are still giving are going to give the paper. Kindly fill up the form also. Huh? The form is there. Class attendance, yeah, correct. Anyone can post the questions. Let me see other ones. Management of risk was there. Case study on LC volatility. There was one question on volatility. Okay, I'll write it over here only. Volatility. Okay, kindly remember, volatility means standard deviation. It is the square root of variance. Okay, and whenever the question comes, you have to multiply the sum with the volatility with this percentage of means probability of happening, that factor. Yesterday I took that numerical, same one. Volatility was asked, volatility question was asked. Then risk, okay. Was there any question on Forex numerical? Anyone? Any question on Forex numerical? All you guys, those who have given the paper, kindly post your marks also. All those who have completed the paper, kindly post your marks also. There was one question on Forex, means forward rate was asked. Forward rate was asked. Forward rate means it was discount, okay. It was the discount part, forward rate with discount. So discount means minus, okay, forward rate. So spot minus discount. If it is discount, kindly note it is spot minus discount. Forward rate is spot minus discount. Those who are going now. Okay, it is spot minus discount. Anyone else more than this? What were the other questions? Let me see. What were the other questions? Yes. Congress, yeah. Paper was moderate to tough. CRAR case studies were maximum. Okay. And the semi-annual bond was asked. Semi-annual bond was asked. Semi-annual. Okay, 9. Semi-annual bond was asked. Semi-annual means what? See, whenever you get semi-annual, R is to be divided by 2 and N is to be multiplied by 2. R is to be divided by 2, N is to be multiplied by 2 for semi-annual bonds. Then one question was on Forex, semi-annual. Forex questions. It was there, okay. BPV was asked, basis point valuation. So I'll go to the next page now. BPV was asked, BPV 10th. BPV, basis point valuation was asked. Okay, and that also, what are they saying? Semi-annual. Semi-annual, yeah. BPV formula was asked, and that also semi-annual. BPV semi-annual. Semi-annual. Okay, semi-annual BPV was asked. So what is BPV? See, those who are going now, kindly note how to find out semi-annual BPV. What is BPV? Change in price delta P upon delta R. Okay, change in price upon change in rate of interest. Okay, that is basically this. Now, if you want to calculate semi-annually, okay, now this is always per annum. Okay, and if semi-annual is given, rate is given as half yearly. Okay, so price also will have to divide it by 2, means if the price change is half yearly, this much price, all this thing is happening in 1 year, in 6 months. This is happening in 6 months. If you are asked for annual BPV, annual rate, so whatever answer you get, multiply by 2. This is one of the important tricks. See, nobody is giving this tricks. Then semi-annual BPV was asked. Then what is the next one? Next one. RWA, semi-annual, tier 1 capital was there. Achha, tier 1 capital questions were asked. Tier 1 capital questions. Tier 1 capital questions. Okay? Tier 1 capital questions. See, 11th. Tier 1 capital questions. Tier 1 capital. Tier 1 capital. So, tier 1 always has, kindly remember, 4 elements. Those 4 elements which I told you. Capital means shares, reserves and surplus, then net profit and your revaluation reserves at 55% discount. Okay? Then, next is what? Next question, everyone. Kindly post the questions also. Risk weighted asset, okay. Everyone post the questions. What is it? Multiply. Everyone kindly post more questions. Second. Dealing room was there. See this semi-annual one, somebody is asking me again. See, what you have to do is in semi-annual bonds, again, I'll give you the calculation also. Okay. First, what you do, multiply the years by 2. See, in semi-annual bond, if it is asked, multiply, I'll give you a step, multiply years, year by 2. Multiply the year by 2. Kindly note, multiply the year by 2. Divide the coupon. Divide coupon by 2. Divide the coupon by 2. Everyone, pay attention. And YTM also. Third, divide YTM by 2. Divide YTM by 2. This is same as your semi-annual bond. Okay? Same as your semi-annual bond, no changes in it because BPV and this semi-annual bonds are same. Whenever you are having by semi-annual divided by 2 everything, multiply n by 2, divide coupon by 2, divide YTM by 2. Also, if it is quarterly, now see the second batch might be asked quarterly. If they ask you quarterly, divide everything, do everything by 4. Divide, multiply year by 4, divide coupon by 4 and divide YTM by 4. If asked quarterly, okay? Kindly note this, everyone. Got it? Reshma, everyone else got it? Next. What are the questions? You have sold dollar at 3 months for 85 and at time of maturity price is 87, lower than 85. Then the profit 2 to 3 more question times. See, there was a question of you have sold a dollar. Okay, you have sold a dollar future. One sec. The question, let me get it. See, the question is, you have sold a dollar future at 3 months for 85. See, sold a dollar future at 3 months. Sold dollar future, okay? What is it? Dollar future at 3 months for 85. And at the time of maturity, the price is 87. Okay? Then the profit. So definitely see, if the price is 87, you have sold, strike price is 85. Strike is 85. 85. Then this is for selling, sold. This is for sold. And when the time comes for selling, price at maturity. Maturity is 87. So now you are out of money. Kindly note, you are having a loss because you are selling. Whenever you are selling, you will have a loss in this. Okay? Selling always means put option. This is a put option. Whenever you are selling anything and if the price is higher, then you are at loss. Means you want to sell it at 85. Okay? You want to sell it at, it means you have purchased the put option, right? You thought that it will go to 85, but it has gone to 87 only. Means you are in a loss. Okay, your strike price was 85, but the price did not match at 85, so you are in loss. Now, if the price goes to 83, lower than that, then your option is in the money. Then you are in the money. Kindly note this. Okay, pay attention. Then next, what was it? Next one. CCB. CCB, what is the maximum CCB? CCB is 2.5%. Okay? Maximum CCB, capital conservation buffer, equals to 2.5%. Maximum CCB is 2.5%. Then provision for personal loan and consumer loan latest guidelines. Then stop loss bond yield. Everyone post the questions, please. Everyone post the questions. What are the next questions? Let me see. Fast for the new batch. Got it, everyone? Let me see next one. NPA provisioning was asked. NPA provisioning was asked. So NPA provisioning is same. See, NPA provisioning, everyone. NPA provision. Okay, for substandard, D1, D2 and loss, right? This is NPA provisioning 15, 25. Now if it is infrastructure, infra this is 20. Okay, doubtful one 2500, 40 100, 40 for secured, 100 for unsecured, and this is all 100. Okay, this is NPA provisioning. Then ECGC, that's okay. ECGC. Incoterms. Incoterms was asked. Incoterms I have taken already. Yesterday also we have taken the Incoterms. See, whenever Incoterms, mostly which will be asked, I'll tell you, mostly will be asked the Incoterms of this CIF, FOB and X-Works, because our pre-shipment finance is given on FOB. Okay, CIF is cost plus insurance plus freight. Got it? Then next one was what? Question या BPV example ठीक है. NPA, okay, ECGC. Any more questions, guys? Kindly post the questions also. All of you kindly post the questions. Bond yield was asked. Bond yield. Bond yield. Okay. Bond yield. Okay, kindly note one question. I'll give you YTM formula. You might get this question. YTM yield means they may ask you YTM. YTM formula. Kindly go through this formula. Very important. Huh? This is C plus F minus P upon N, the whole upon F plus P upon 2. Right? This is a YTM formula. Thumb rule for YTM. Kindly note, this question comes in exam for thumb rule for YTM. Okay? YTM thumb rule might come to you. YTM thumb rule might come to you. Kindly note. Okay? F is future. F is, got it? F minus P upon N, the whole upon F plus P upon 2. Kindly note this formula. Don't miss it. Next one, let me see. Next one. Anything else? Any Incoterms? Incoterms was asked. See, Incoterms are basically, there are 11 Incoterms. There's one question on Incoterms there, somebody is saying. Incoterms, there are total 11 Incoterms. Out of them, for ship, they are specifically FAS, FOB, CIF and CFR. 4 are for ship. FAS, FOB, CIF and CFR. These are for ship. Okay. Then for others, road, railway, all these, you have CPA, means CPT, carriage paid to. There are almost 3 to 4 Incoterms over here. CPT, CIP, these are the Incoterms. Then you get D Incoterms, DDP, DDU and DAP. One is X-Works. Which Incoterm is best for the seller? It's always X-Works. Which Incoterm is best for the buyer? It's always DDP, delivery duty paid. This is the best for the buyer. Anyone else? Dealing room? Yeah. Tino room, that's okay. What was the next question? LC case study was there, but what was that LC case study? Anyone? Can anyone give me the details of LC case study? LC case study. Then what was the next? ECGC percentage, RWA. That's okay. ECGC is a part of, see, generally ECGC gives you the risk coverage up to 65%. Generally, ECGC gives you the coverage up to 65% if it is asked. Okay. Then RWA months mentioned. Yeah. Anything else? 58. Got 58. Okay. Very good. Then good marks. All of those who have cleared it, it's really good. It's commendable. Okay. How was the exam? Post your marks, dear. All of you post your marks. Kindly post your marks. Okay. Chalo. More questions on this. NPA provisioning was there. Dealing room. Dealing room already I have covered. Then okay. What is it next? Any more questions? What was it? Let me see. Transparency, this. Yeah. More questions, please. Everyone, kindly give me the questions. What was it? Any question from anyone? No. Then. How was the exam? Post your marks. See, there's a form given. Kindly fill up the form. Okay? Kindly fill up the form. See, provisioning, somebody is asking what is, see, for standard assets, for general loans, all the loans, it is 0.4% for standard assets. Okay? Standard assets, 0.4%, 0.25 for agri, then housing, 0.25 and MSME, 0.25. These are the general provisionings. Okay? Personal loans, they have been increased to 125% now. Personal loans, they have been increased to 125%. Somebody is asking for PL provisioning. PL is 125% now. Okay, PL is 125%. Personal loan provisioning is 125% now. Kindly note, the question might come then. Personal loan provisioning is 125%. Who decides the stop loss in Treasury? Stop loss is decided by the management and the individual dealer. Okay, stop loss is mainly decided by the management. No, RBI will not tell you what the stop loss should be. It is decided by the management and the concerned team. Okay. Then dealing room, that's okay. How was this? Okay, definitely. Anything more? Any more questions? Substandard provisioning, I gave you all these, and yeah. What are the questions, everyone? Mid office. Okay now? So now go happily, see this. Don't worry about the paper now. Okay? Go properly. Of whatever questions were there, I have covered it over here. Anyone is putting more questions? Stop loss decided by this. Okay. No, that's it. So the questions are over. Students, kindly post more questions. Kindly post more questions, everyone. Okay? So now go peacefully. Everyone, go peacefully. Don't worry about the paper. I'll wait for some time. If somebody is still posting some questions, it is better for us also. Is somebody posting any more questions? How was the exam level? Okay. Exam level is okay. Yeah. Yeah. See, there's a question. If secured portion of the loan is less than 10%, then what? It's given in your chapter also. Okay? In your module B, it is given. If secured portion of any loan is less than 10%, then the security is considered as not existing. If secured portion of the loan is less than 10%, then the security is considered as not existing. It's completely considered as unsecured loan. It is completely considered as unsecured loan. Kindly note this. Okay, it is complete unsecured loan. If the secured portion, see, If secured portion, security is less than 10%, then it becomes unsecured loan. It becomes unsecured. The security is not existent then. Okay? Complete 100% loan is considered as unsecured in that case. Then any other question? Got it? Anyone else? Any more question on this? One more. Anyone? See, kindly post the questions, everyone, because now the students for the next batch will get the help. Okay? Kindly post the questions. Let others also gain from it. Don't worry about anything. Don't worry about the paper. It is very easy. I have seen it. The paper is very easy. What is this, Reshma? You are saying that scared. Not to be scared. Nothing. You will get more than 60. Mind it. You will get more than 60. Okay. Whenever you have followed the instructions, PDF and the classes, more than 60 is guaranteed. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. One more. Chalo. Take one more. See this. What is Stat 5? Stat 5 is Stat 5. Stat 5 is a report. Stat 5. This report contains balance in nostro vostro. Nostro vostro. These two balances. Okay? Balance in nostro vostro. This is reported to RBI. Okay? Then one sec. Yeah, see this. Stat 5 is for, kindly note, it is for FCNR deposits, reporting non-resident deposits. Stat 5 is for non-resident deposits, non-resident then deposits. Okay, kindly note this. I gave you nostro vostro, that is different. Okay, Stat 5 is for non-resident deposits. Kindly note, it is for non-resident deposits. Okay, so for nostro vostro, if they ask you, so Stat 5 is for NR deposits, kindly note. Nostro vostro report is submitted periodic. Okay, means often monthly or half yearly. Generally, it is submitted monthly. Okay, it is submitted monthly. And the one report which is asked generally is R returns. R returns is R returns. R returns. It gives the data of all the transactions happening in your bank related to Forex. All the transactions happening in your bank related to Forex. Okay? Twice a month they are asking now, transactions twice. So latest is 15th and month end. Our returns is to be submitted 15th and month end every fortnight. Every fortnight the R returns is to be submitted. Then next, what is the next question? Hold on. Nostro definition. There was one question. See, Nostro definition is simple. So simple. Nostro definition. My account with you. Okay. My account with you. That is Nostro. Okay. My account with you is Nostro. Then, yeah, my account with you is for Nostro. Then one was for Stat 8. Stat 8 is not asked that much. Stat 8 report somebody is asking me. Stat 8. Stat 8 report. Kindly pose the questions dear. Stat 8 report. Stat 8 is not related to a Forex. Yeah, that is bank profile. Bank profile report. Bank profile. Okay, stat 5 is for your NR deposits. Kindly note, stat 5 is for NR deposits. For basic 8 to 10 questions. Acha, Ajay. How are the papers, Ajay? How many marks? How did you get? What are the marks? Got 56. Very good. Oh, 56. See, everyone who has followed the classes will definitely clear the paper. I'll tell you. The ones who have followed the classes and read the PDF which I have given, definitely you will clear the paper. Definitely. Be sure about it. Ajay got 56. Very good. Okay, chalo. Leave then. Okay. Reshma, you can go now. You have a paper now. Chalo. Bye. Best of luck. All of you, best of luck. Ajay, congrats. Just fill up the form, Ajay. Okay. Fill up the form. Ajay, fill up the form. We'll contact you. 56 is the good marks. 56 is very good. 56 marks are very good. Okay. So you have cleared main tough papers. ABM you have cleared. BFM you have cleared. So now only ABFM and BRBL. ABFM and BRBL. That's okay. That you will definitely clear. Not an issue. Yeah, correct, Ajay. See, everyone, again I am telling you, attempt full paper. Don't leave even a single question, and with time. Attempt full paper with time. Okay? Don't miss even a single question. Chalo, bye. Best of luck, everyone. Chalo, now we have to go inside. Okay? Second batch has to go inside, I think so now. Chalo, bye everyone. Okay? Post the paper questions in the second